Welcome to the tutorial for Vesta Precision V22 vacuum sealer. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start using the machine. Open the box, you'll find the main vacuum sealer unit, a vacuum hose, 2 mason jar adapters, 2 mason jar lids, and a bag roll. How to use the built-in cutter. It's easy. Open the lid, lift the cutting rack, then pull out the length of bag you want. Place the rack back down and slide the cutter firmly across the bag for a clean cut. How to make a seal. To seal a bag without vacuuming, place the open end into the vacuum chamber, close the lid, and press the handle down to lock. Then just press the seal button. For a longer seal time, press the Extend Seal Time button before starting. Press it again to return to the default. How to vacuum seal solid foods. For solid foods, place the open end of the bag in the chamber, close and lock the lid. Choose between normal mode for higher vacuum pressure or gentle mode for delicate foods. Then press the Vacuum and Seal Start button to start. How to vacuum seal liquids. Sealing liquids, leave about 7 inches of space between the liquid and the bag opening. Keep the bag upright so liquid stays below the sealing strip. Choose liquid mode, then press the Vacuum and Seal Start button. Pulse vac mode. For more precise control, use the pulse vac function. This allows you to interrupt the vacuuming process to achieve your desired vacuum level. During operation, simply press and hold the pulse vac button to remove air. Release it to stop, then press the seal button to finish. You can also start a cycle using pulse vac. Just hold the button until you reach the right vacuum level, release it, and press the seal button within 10 seconds to complete the process. If no action is taken within 10 seconds, the machine will exit the pulse vac mode and release the pressure. Vacuum sealing mason jars. To vacuum seal mason jars, put the lid on, attach the adapter without the outer ring, and connect the hose to the machine's vacuum port and the jar adapter. Press down the handle, press the Accessories button to select mason jar mode, and press the Vacuum and Seal Start button to start. Vacuum sealing canisters. For vacuum canisters, first make sure your canister is compatible. Turn its valve to vacuum, connect the hose directly to the machine and canister. Or, you can switch the head of the hose and insert the nozzle into the canister's air valve. Press down the handle. Press the Accessories button to select canister mode, and press the Vacuum and Seal Start button to start the process. When done, turn the valve to lock. Marinating mode. You can also marinate faster using a vacuum canister. Put food inside, turn the valve to open, connect the hose, press down the handle, press the Accessories button to select Marinate mode, and press the Vacuum and Seal Start button to start. That's all for the tutorial. Thanks for watching.